Okay, I'm walking over this way because I was told to check out a Civic on a trailer. You guys, check this out. This thing is wild. So, what'd you do?
I looked at it funny and it just doesn't want to start now.
Isn't that how it goes when ladies look at you too?
That's true, that's true. That's usually how it goes. They go, nah.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good, how are you, brother?
Good, good, good. Good to see you.
Love to see you.
And rightfully so, they got the quick release bumper. That's wild.
Hey, God damn! Hold on, motherfucker.
Don't look. Hey, you can get arrested for crack like that in Portland.
Oh, jeez, don't even tell me about it.
Crack right there. That's that pure shit.
That Supra is so dope. I love the yellow on it and the yellow stickers on the tires, the carbon fiber. Yeesh. Yeah, you guys, so as you guys know, if you guys saw the last video, you guys would have seen that I got a new camera and everything. And I sincerely apologize for how that video turned out because it was my very first video with the new setup. I'm still trying to get the color and everything, the settings just right. So I'm hoping this video will turn out way better than the first one. So yeah, just bear with me as I still try and figure it out. I got a video, not with this guy, but of the truck at another meet. That truck, if I'm mistaken, I'll have to try and find that clip again, but that truck is pushing, I think, damn near 900 horsepower. That has a huge, huge turbo on the top. It's so cool, so crazy. But here's the vet I was just looking at. This thing is wild looking. Got Lambo doors, carbon interior. That thing is wild. Yeah, C7 vets just look so crazy. I think I like them more than the C8s. But don't get me wrong, there are some C8s out there that look flawless, but the C7 vets I just feel like are way more aggressive looking. So apparently they're gonna try and push start it. Look how tiny the rear tires are. Those are crazy. I don't know if you guys heard that, but he was like, that's the fastest this can go. All right, guys, check out this 991 or 992 911 GT3. This thing is crazy. That looks so sick. Oh, that's not a GT3. I think it's a Turbo S. The front end kind of fooled me because the front ends of these almost have the same look as a GT3 991.1 and .2. It might be a bumper conversion, but I'm not sure. But I love those. Those are so nice. And here coming down the line, I can't remember his Instagram, Shark Gray or Gray Shark. I can't remember, but I'm supposed to be doing a video with him soon. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. We gotta get a video sometime.
Yeah, I know, man. I've been meaning to.
No, it's all good. Car's looking good though.
Yeah, thank you.
Man, that turbo whistle is just insane.
Yeah, now I can talk, buddy. How you been?
Good. How are you doing?
How's your channel been?
Good.
Good.
And we got an MK4 Supra. This thing is always gorgeous. I've always seen him here at Cars and Coffee. This thing is so nice. Here we got my dream car, the Audi R8. This thing is so gorgeous. You guys already know that I really want one day, so I'm hoping that one day I can get one, but God, these cars are just so sexy looking. Oh, tuned by Surgeline. My dad's buddy, autofocus. Come on, work with me, work with me. Okay, I figured out what was wrong with my autofocus. It was set somehow to manual focus and not autofocus. So I got that taken care of. But look at this bug, you guys. This thing is a diesel. This thing is wild. He's got a stack coming out of the hood. That is wild. Is it turbo diesel?
Turbo diesel locomotive, basically.
Dude.
Bro, look. Make it count.
That's a cool truck. But yeah, he posted a video on TikTok, I think is what it was. And what was the TikTok of? I can't remember.
My fiance's reaction when I pulled him with the bus.
Yeah. Diesel.
I don't like that.
Dude, that is so funny. Yeah, his video's getting up there to like almost 200K views. It's so funny. But yeah, he's got a full stack coming out of the hood. And then we got a sick RX-7 here. Check this out. I'll show you guys under the hood because he has his hood popped up, but look at this. This thing is gorgeous. Let's check under the hood. Yeesh.
Oh, that's what I was gonna do to my RSI.
Oh my lordy.
See, like, yeah, you can bend
All the carbon trim. Well, there you guys go. That is nice. I know all you JDM fans are gonna be nutting over that. That was gorgeous. RX-7 sounds so good, especially when the rotaries are tuned just perfectly. Oh, they sound so good. We got an R34 Skyline coming in. Check that out. That's cool. Sheesh! And Bayside blue. That thing is gorgeous. I've seen him a few times at car meets. Man, I tell you what, every time I see this Skyline, I nut because it's so pretty. I love the color. R33. Yeesh. Okay, you guys, check this out. I have never seen one of these, but we got a Toyota Trueno from Japan. This thing is cool looking. It's got a carbon hood. And that thing is just wild. I'm assuming it's from Japan because it has a bunch of Japanese writing on it. And I'm assuming we've never had these before in the country, but this thing is crazy. Then we got a dope Ford Ranchero here that came in. I love that baby blue color. That is super cool. You don't see these two very often anymore. That is wild. Check out the inside. Look how big that steering wheel is. You guys, check out this little Honda truck thing. I've seen these in Japan, and I know this is imported because we don't have these, nor have we ever sold these here in the country. But look at this. This thing is cool. He's got even a little scooter in the back as well. That is so cool. I love the color. Now we're getting into the American Muscle. Look at this rat rod. This thing is so cool. And we got another one right here. I think this is a Doc Hudson. No, this isn't a Doc Hudson. A Nash, maybe? 1949 Nash? I can't remember. I know I've seen that circle decoration on a grill before, and I can't remember what brand or model it is, but I think it's a Nash. Here we got a dope C8 Vet here. Oh man, I can't wait to do a video with him. Oh, it's gonna be so sick. That thing sounds scared the bejesus out of me. I didn't know he was gonna rev it. But yeah, back to the C8 Vet. This thing is wild. And then we got Mo's car with the Spoon Sports S2K, which I'm actually doing a video with him right after this. You guys are gonna see that as well on the channel. But check this out. He actually just got some upgrades done, and we're filming a part 2. Look at this. He's riding in a shopping cart. We got another crazy Civic here. Check that out. That's cool. Love the color. It's like a root beer brown. That is wild. I didn't realize this is all-wheel drive too. Check that out. All-wheel drive. That's cool. Wow. And it's right-hand drive too. Crazy. And then right next to it, we got a Bel Air almost in the exact same color. Look at that. That is so cool. You know, I'm not a fan of brown, but this color in the sun is really interesting. Then we got a gorgeous M4 Competition. That is so nice. And I don't think you guys can see the inside. Oh, you can barely see it. It has peanut butter brown interior on the seats. That is so cool. This color is absolutely magnificent as well. BMW blue calipers, black wheels, carbon trim. Oh my goodness. Then we got a dope GT4 here too. That is beautiful. Red calipers, white. It almost looks like a white paint, but it looks like almost a very, very light gray color. In the sun, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I like that color. By the way, the person that owns this bug, he has a YouTube channel and Instagram, and his handles is Built in the Rain. Go give him a check out. You guys, check out his camera setup. That's gonna be the next upgrade right there. That's a full-on like cinematography camera. That's crazy. Alrighty, you guys, that is gonna conclude the Cars and Coffee. Now I'm gonna go film a video with Mo's S2000. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Be on the lookout for the S2000 ride-along video part 2. That's gonna come out very, very soon. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are not following me or subscribe to my channel, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and on YouTube so you don't miss any more content. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a good rest of your weekend. All right, guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.